We're here going over each obviously component that serves the heating, air conditioning, ventilation system in the building. And this is AC2. There's AC1 there on the east roof. These serve the electrical rooms. So they're cooling only. The thermostat's been set for cooling only down below. There are 410A package units. There's no economizers. They do have a MERV 13 filter, 2-inch filter inside of them. The filter would be accessed on the left-hand side of the unit. You have to undo obviously the screws and take the panel off to get the filter out. Both AC1 and AC2 have low ambient and head pressure control. We had to add the head pressure control for the condenser fan motors for low ambient control. So those have both been added, as well as we have a split system that serves the IDF room just as you come up the staircase to get here in the mezzanine area. Obviously is an evaporator that's right above you as you walk up. That condensing unit, it also has a head pressure control on the condenser fan motor to maintain obviously discharge pressure or head pressure. Standard package unit, there's obviously no gas, just straight cooling. This one, there's not a belt on the indoor fan motor. This thing is just kind of all standalone, if you would. AC1, there's a belt on the supply fan, as well as on the split system. On the evaporator, there's no belt on it either. So all you have is really this AC1 that has a belt on it. Obviously, if you can jump out the indoor fan motor, you can jump out the cooling. If you want to obviously run it up on the roof, the control section's in here. Everyone has their own disconnect. You can turn them off, you can lock them out, obviously for safe practices to work on them. We have our own startup sheets. You guys will be getting all our startup sheets. It'll have everything on the unit from condenser fan motor model number, evaporator motor model number, pretty much everything that's in the unit is to be on our start and test sheets. So we hope you guys will get a copy of those. Hopefully from the field standpoint, you guys get it as well, because that's a good tool for you guys to be the resource for the filter size, belt size, even for like all the exhaust fans. So we have a pre-functional check sheet and we have a pre-functional test sheet, and then obviously they do commissioning afterwards with another document, another binder if you would, that includes all the testing that's with each component. So exhaust fan 6, the cover removed, and there's a belt on this particular one, and obviously pillow block bearings. The switch is inside to turn it off, so be careful and turn it off. You can lock it out with like a 120 volt lockout tagout switch or a cover plate. But then obviously the other exhaust fans, those fans are I think 3-phase. I don't remember if they're 480 or 230 volt, but there's starters on the wall for those exhaust fans. Those are remotely controlled via the BMS. That's exhaust fan 3 and 4. And then we have